Hello friends, welcome to CSS Essential Training Part 1. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets, and CSS we can use to apply different styles to our HTML tags elements. HTML tags we can apply different CSS to different styles. So for this we will use Visual Studio Code, and we will create new file, and this is doc.html, and we will save this file as in desktop index.html, and HTML we will close here, and here this is head section. In the title I will write like learn CSS, and then we have body, and the body is here. Now for example we have h1, and h1 like but control S, and when we will open this file in the browser we can see this is h1 heading 1. So how we can apply how we can start CSS. After the title in the head section we can write style, opening tag and closing tag. Style is by itself is a HTML tag. Inside this tag we can write the CSS. How to write CSS? First, to which tag we want to apply, we'll have to write the name of that tag. Like we want to apply to h1, so we will have to type here h1, then space, then bracket open, and Visual Studio Code will automatically close this bracket, and then enter. Now inside this section we can write CSS properties and their values. In this video we are going to discuss about the colors, so how we can apply colors. So there are different ways we can apply colors. For example, color names. By color names we can apply, so the CSS property is color, then column, and then we can write color names like space, like red or green, red, then semicolon. After every CSS property and the value we will write semicolon. Here colon and then semicolon. Now if you refresh you can see the color of this text is right now. The second method, you can apply background color. For background I will create here div. If I want to apply it to this div, what I will write div, and background color if you want to apply. So here we will discuss about width and height. Width and height also we can apply in CSS. And later we will discuss about width and height in detail, but right now I will apply like this: width 300 pixels and height 300 pixels. So background hyphen color is green. So when you refresh you can see there is a division box, and the width of this div is 300 pixels, and height is also 300 pixels, and the background color is green. Second method, like how we can apply color. So we can apply by color values, and first is RGB we can apply. So instead of first I will change it to green, and you can see it's also green. Now RGB, so RGB, red, green, blue, and then we will have to write the numbers of those red, green and blue, like 255, 99, 71. So this is now you can see it's red. See, this is RGB value, and now I will change it to like yellow. So you can see this is yellow. Now the next is we can apply by hex value. So hex value you can start with hashtag, and then you can write the name, like if you will write FF6347, so what will happen, this will be red. Or if you type here 0000000, so it will be black. Okay, and the next we can apply hsl, hue, saturation, lightness. So here we can type like 9,100%, and then 64%. This is also red. You can see even I refresh, you can see this is hsl value. We can also apply like alpha. So for alpha here, background color I will apply RGBA, red, green, blue, alpha. So this will be like 255, 99, 71. Normal in RGB 3 values, but here in RGBA we will have to write alpha value, transparent, 0.5. So you can see it's like this. It's not it's red actually, but this is transparent. You can see opacity, like transparency, not complete transparent, like transparency or opacity, and the opacity level is 0.5. If you increase opacity like from 0.5 to 0.9, so this is like this. And if we will apply like 1, that's less. So RGB A, red, green, blue, alpha, and I will write background color is yellow. Now it is yellow. The next thing, you can also apply hsla value. So hsla, you can see, so hue, saturation, lightness and alpha. So the hue is, for example, 9, then saturation is like 100%, and lightness is like 64%, and the alpha is like 0.5, then semicolon. To refresh, so you can see this is hsla value. So we can see like we have applied CSS color values. CSS, we have applied color using different CSS values and properties. You can apply by color name or color values like RGB, red, green, blue value, or hex code or hex value. We can apply using hashtag, and we can also apply using hsl, hue, saturation and lightness, and the last one we can apply RGBA and hsla, red, green, blue, alpha, or hue, saturation, lightness, and alpha. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.